Hello everybody, jimmyispromo here, back again with another awesome video. And if at any point in time in this video you guys like what you see, make sure you guys hit on that like button, as well as don't forget to hit on that subscribe and hit on that bell for notifications so you get notified of any future videos. So 7 days ago on Thursday, January 18th, I went over and I showed you guys how you can create a Google photo book by using the application called Google Photos. And just today, which is only 7 days later, which is about 3 or 4 business days, it has already arrived. Now, if you guys remembered, or if you guys have seen that video, inside this package is going to be a soft cover 7-inch photo book or photo album that was created, and I got this thing for $21. Now, the price starting off for this one is $9.99, and that gives you 20 images or 20 pages of your pictures. And so since I did add additional images, I was paying an additional 35 cents per page. Now, the impressive thing was that when I was ordering this, it mentioned that it would take 10 to 14 business days, but it only came here in about 3 or 4. So starting off, the very front page will be blank, and then it just kind of goes on and through all the different images that you chose. So for the first 2 images, I did want to go through and I placed this thing in there as the full image or the full paged version of the image. And then for the very next 2 pages, I did choose the middle option, which is going to be the middle size image. Then here's just a couple more examples of what the images look like. So when you check out all the different colors and everything and checking out how everything pops out, this is exactly how it looked on my phone, and it actually comes out to being pretty well in really good resolution if it's going to be either the smaller image or even if it is a full paged image. So this here is pretty much the book. This is what kind of accounts for my year of 2017. And it's actually an amazing option if you guys wanted to get a bunch of your different pictures to be printed out, all the way up to 100 images, with 20 being the minimum. Now again, you do have 2 options. You can get it as a soft cover, which is the one that I have here, which is starting off at the $9.99 price point, or you can go over into the 9-inch hard book, which will start you off at $19.99. So I hope that you guys have liked this video. Make sure you guys go out there, go inside of your Google Photos application, choose the option inside the menu on the top very left-hand side, and choose Photo Book and create yours today. Outside of that, make sure you guys give this thing a huge thumbs up. Also hit on subscribe below the video, or you can hit on subscribe right over here. And outside of that, share this video with your friends and families, and I'll see you guys later.